Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video, I'll show you how to fix content not found using Facebook. So, in this Facebook, sometimes if you go for add a new email or phone number, sometimes Facebook shows the problem is content not found. So, in this situation, you have to do just go for first in your Play Store and you have to update your Facebook. So I'm already done, you can see. So first of all, you have to update your Facebook account. Then go for settings, go for apps and notification, and click on your Facebook. You have to search for your Facebook and go for storage and cache to clear your cache from here. So okay, you need to clear your cache from here, and when you are done, okay, you can see it's done. Then after that, you can fix it. You can fix that problem, uh, which is not found, content not found. So if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.